Good morning. I am Solanki. I am from Bangalore, India, and I am a geography teacher at Abhishek coaching. And today we'll learn about a new topic.
The topic is rocks and minerals. This is for grade 11 Cbse board. Let's start the topic. I'm sharing my screen. Yes. So before we move into the topic, tell me how many of you are familiar with the word rocks and minerals? Can anybody know anything about rocks and minerals? So, a rock is a solid collection of minerals, whereas minerals are substances that are formed naturally in the earth. This is the basic difference of rocks and minerals. Now we'll move to minerals first, then we'll come to the rocks. So, what is mineral? Minerals are naturally occurring substances which have certain physical properties, a definite chemical composition, and orderly atomic structure. These three features should a mineral have: an orderly atomic structure, a definite chemical composition, and a physical properties. So a mineral is composed of two or more elements, but sometimes single element mineral we can find, like sulfur, copper, silver, gold. These are the single element minerals. Now we'll discuss about the sources of mineral. What are the sources? You can see the picture here. This is the layers of the earth, and the basic source of mineral is the hot magma. The hot magma in the interior of the earth. So when the magma cools down, a mineral appears. A systematic series of minerals are formed in sequence. So, what are the types of minerals? Anybody can tell what are the types of minerals? So, mineral resources can be divided into two major categories. One is metallic, one is non-metallic. So, metallic resources are like gold, silver, like this. And what are the non-metallic resources? Non-metallic resources are things like sand, gravel, gypsum, halite, uranium, etc. So we have done with the mineral. Now we'll go to the rocks. So what is rock? Can anybody tell me what is rock? So a rock is a naturally occurring solid substance that is normally made of minerals. So some rocks are made of only one mineral, other can be made of several minerals combined. So we have three types of rock: igneous rock, metamorphic rock, and sedimentary rock. These are the three types of rock we can see. Now, what is igneous rock? So basically igneous rocks are formed from melted rock deep inside the earth, whereas sedimentary rocks are formed from layers of sand, silt, dead plants, and animal skeleton. And what is metamorphic rock? So metamorphic rock formed from other rocks that are changed by heat or pressure underground. So these are the rocks. So you can see here three types of rock is there, and in the igneous rock we can divide it into two part: intrusive igneous rock. This is extrusive igneous rock. So here is the examples. Igneous rock, it is like mafic, ultramafic, and sedimentary. The example will be limestone, sandstone, and metamorphic rock. Marble is there. So this is the rock table you can see. Next we'll move to the main part, rock cycle. What is rock cycle? So a rock cycle is a continuous process through which old rocks are transformed into a new rocks. You can see the pictures here. This is rock cycle. Igneous rocks go to sedimentary, then sedimentary rocks come into metamorphic rock, then again it come here. So this is the process, cyclic process. It is called rock cycle. So it includes the following process, like hot lava cool downs to form igneous rock, and this igneous rock are then broken down into small particles which are transported and then deposited into sediment and make sedimentary rocks. And with the pressure and the heat, igneous and sedimentary rock goes to the metamorphic rocks. So this is the rock cycle. So till now we have read that The next part we will read in the next chapter or the next class. So till now, bye. Stop sharing. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. So I'm done with the day. Thank you.